Neuro-linguistic programming is a psychological approach to communication, personal development, and psychotherapy, created by Richard Bandler and John Grinder in the 1970s. NLP establishes a connection between neurological processes, neuro, language, linguistic, and behavioral patterns learned through experience, programming, and that these can be changed to achieve specific goals in life. Dr. Patrick Porter started his journey in learning NLP in 1986, benefiting from the teaching of the masters such as Richard Bandler. Using this knowledge, he built a practice that saw over 160 clients a day, learning which NLP techniques were most effective in helping people effectuate change. He has taken this knowledge and practice and created this course on what he calls psycholinguistics, or the language of the mind, to help students learn effective communication in practice and in real life.
NLP was something that when I learned it back in the 80s, what I found out was hypnosis was almost too vague for a lot of people. Remember, we have the right brain people and we have the left brain people. NLP allowed us to work with those people that are very linear, very logical.
In this course, students will learn a step-by-step approach to mastering these powerful communication techniques, along with practical tools to motivate even the most difficult clients to access the power of their minds. Find out how you can sign up for this course in Neuro-Linguistic programming today.